Hi everyone, my name is Miss Brittany, and I'm going to read you a story today. Can anybody tell me what this is called? This is called the front cover page. And right here is the Spot Baked Cake, and that's the title of the story. And the author is Eric Hill. This is called the title page, and it says Spot Baked Cake. And the author again is Eric Hill. It's your dad's birthday on Friday, Spot. Does anybody know what this little graph over here is called? It's in some of the classrooms. If you guess a calendar, you are right. See this little bubble right here? It says, let's bake a cake. And that means that Spot is saying that. We have to go shopping. Spot is in the cabinet. I wonder what Spot is looking for in the cabinet. Let's take a look. It is a mouse. And the mouse is saying, I need some cheese. Can you find the chocolate, Spot? Can anybody find the chocolate? It says special today chocolate. Let's look behind the chocolate to see what's under there. It says, Dad loves chocolate cake. Look, Mom has a grocery list with her. It says flour, butter, egg, chocolate, cheese. Now we can make the cake. Does anybody know where Spot is? Let's look under the groceries and see. The mouse is saying, we've already started. Spot and the mouse already started baking the cake. Spot, that's enough. Oh, Spot made a big mess, didn't he? Let's look underneath here and see what's under. Oh, the mouse is riding the spoon, and he said, wee! The cake is in the oven. Help me clean up, Spot. Look at all the dirty dishes. I wonder what's behind all the dirty dishes. Let's look and see. Spot says, I am helping. Can I decorate the cake yet, Mom? The mom is by the oven. I wonder what she's doing. Let's open the oven and find out. Mom says it's ready now. Go easy on the icing, Spot. This book right here says How to Decorate a Cake. I think Spot is reading a book. What do you think? Let's open the book and find out. Oh! Spot says this is the best part. Spot is icing the cake. Have you guys ever iced a cake before? This will be a nice surprise for your dad, Spot. It looks like Spot is drawing his dad a birthday card. The card says, Happy Birthday, Dad. Let's open the card and see what Spot's drawing. There's the mouse again. The mouse is saying, I can't wait. Happy birthday, Dad. Mom says, Happy birthday, Sam. I wonder what's behind the balloon. Let's look and see. It's the finished birthday cake that Spot made for his dad. Did you make the cake, Bot? It's delicious. Thanks, Dad. Mom helped a little. The end.